All right, now we're gonna put this together. Um, well, the gimbal struts is a two-piece part. One side is an image, a mirror image of each one. Here, I completed one. I was able to glue it. So I'm going to demonstrate on this one how I applied the glue. Just a very small amount of glue is needed. Okay. And you just have to put it on top of each other and align it very well. And there you have. Now these gimbal struts are being glued at the very end once the Raptor is in place. Here is the final model. As you can see, the gimbals here for each one. There are two gimbals for each Raptor. So now we're going to apply the tubing. 4 pieces. There are 4 pieces, and the way they are glued, you have to follow a diagram that I sketched. I'm presenting it here. So 4 sides. Here's the left side, here's the right, here's the back, and the front. And I coded each little tubing, showing you where it's placed. So let's begin with the first one that looks like a J, that is glued at the bottom of the small cylinder and connected to one side of the large cylinder. So let's do that. So first, orient yourself. So this is the piece we're looking at, right? So follow the sketch and glue as shown. And this is the piece needed. So for that, I am going to apply glue on the bottom of this small cylinder. Just a little tip of glue there. All right. And I'm going to curve it. And a little bit of glue here. Now you need a tweezer to do this kind of job. For a small part like this, glue sticks very fast. These parts are glued almost immediately. There it is, first one. Let's lay it there. We're gonna do the other one. Let's work on the back portion. There's a color coded here, blue line, that it's actually this is the side, so you can see the blue line where it's connected. Right here on top goes in the middle. So that requires a little angle. Actually like this. And we're gonna apply glue on both ends. Just a little drop, it's enough. All right, let's continue. Let's find the back portion, which is this. And Orient yourself before applying the glue. There are little 2 circles there. And that's it. For small pieces like this, just a little drop of glue is enough. Look, let's wait a few seconds until it dries. Okay. Sometimes I rest the whole piece flat on the table and I put the tweezer right there so it will stay on that position while it dries. We're gonna prepare the other one that goes on the side, and this one has also an angle. All right, I'm talking about this portion, the ones that it's green coated, color coded. This is on the right side and it's glued here in the back. There's a green line here, and this green line tells you how it's glued on the top and on the side. All right, so let's do that one. We're going to apply glue as well. So we don't need this. All right. This is a little tricky because it's gonna go like this. Oh, no, this is not the one that have to be done. First, I'm missing. We're putting. Now we're missed here. We're putting this one that goes under. Let's apply glue. There. Now we can proceed by gluing the other part. Let's put extra glue. All right. And follow the sketch. Just follow the sketch. If it needs a little angle, well, in this case, it does need a little angle. You just have to turn it. As you see, everything is glued so fast. Even when I dropped it, nothing happened. Now this is the tricky part because you just have to follow the diagram where these pieces are glued together. It just takes a little time. There. We have completed the assembly of one Raptor. We need 2 more to glue on top of this bulkhead that is configured for the Starship MK-1, which is no longer, it doesn't exist anymore. So it will be glued here. Alright, in our next video I will have assembled all 3 Raptors and we will install it on the bulkhead. Alright, next video.